I would like to call upon Principal of Chinmay Vidyalaya, Mr. C. Geeta Bennett, ma'am, to be present and to distribute the prizes for the students. Please, ma'am.
K. Shanmati, N. Sivani, A. Abhilesh, D. Darshana, T. Abhilasha, T. Darshika, S. Tarun, V. M. Harini, the rank student, the attendance list: V. M. Harini, K. Shanmati, N. Shivani, A. Hariharan,
Next for UKG ranked students, first rank for SP Yogita, S. Kavimalar, S. Abhilaya, S. Jagadish, B. Pavishya, for second rank students, B. Sastita, N. Kaviyarasi, attendance list: S. Kavimala, she secured 100% attendance in the last academic year. Kavya, she secured the first rank in the last academic year. Guru Charan, he secured first rank in the last academic year. Parents, please encourage the students. Parents, please put your hands together to encourage the students. R. Sasindaran, he secured first rank in the last academic year. K. Sanjana, she secured first rank in the last academic year. R. Ajay Sri, he secured first rank in the last academic year. P. Nitya Sri, she secured first rank for the last academic year. V. Bhavan, he secured first rank for the last academic year. M. Deepa Bharani, she secured first rank for the last academic year. Nitish. He secured second place for the last academic year. T. Dharnika. She secured second place for the last academic year. A. Kavimadi. She secured second rank for the last academic year. B. Dhanyashree. She secured second place for the last academic year. Parents, please put your hands together to encourage for GK Metric Higher Secondary boys and girls. D. T. Hashwin. He secured second rank for the last academic year. A. Mokesh Priyan. He got 100% attendance for the last academic year. R. Vinod. He got 100% attendance of the last academic year. R. Nitin. He got 100% attendance for the last academic year. Shivashree. She got first rank for the last academic year. R.G. Sangamitrai. She got first rank for the last academic year. U. Shushant. He got first rank for the last academic year. J. Satyajodi. She got 100% attendance and first rank for the last academic year. Sridharan. He got first rank for the last academic year. R. Karthikeyan. He secured first place for the last academic year and also he got 100% attendance. Parents, please encourage our kids. V. Darshini. She got rank holder for the last academic year. M. Selvamurugan. He is also one of the rank holder for the last academic year. Parents, please put your hands together to encourage our kids. Shakti Haren. He is also one of the rank holder for the last academic year.
ஹலோ இன்றைய
Here
25ஆம்
comes
ஆண்டு
our
வெள்ளி
motivational
விழாவுக்கு
speaker.
இங்கே வருகை தந்துட்டிருக்கும் நமது இளைய அப்துல் கலாம் கலக்கப்பாதாறு ஜெகன் அவர்களை அன்போடு வருக வருக என்று 25ஆம் ஆண்டு வெள்ளி விழாவின் சார்பாக அன்போடு வரவேற்கின்றோம்.
Roshni. She secured second place for the last academic year. Akshay Deva. He secured rank holder for the last academic year. Gokulan. He is one of the rank holder for the last academic year. Infant. He encourage our kids. Tarun Kumar, he is also a rank holder for the last academic year. Vinusha, she is also one of the rank holder for the last academic year. Abarna, she secured first place for the last academic year. Sudeep, he secured second place for the last academic year. Next, N. Akshayan, he secured first place for the last academic year. Sri Bhairavi, she secured first place for the last academic year. Sadhana, she secured first place for the last academic year. SP Yalini, she secured first place for the last academic year. A. Seeman, he secured first rank for the last academic year. B. Ilayadharani, she secured the first place. S. Priyadarshini, she secured the first place and she got 100% attendance. R. Jananika, she got first place. S. Abhinaya, she got the second place for the last academic year. Nityashree, she secured the second place. A. Santosh, he secured the first place. M. Harish, he secured the first place. Naukul, he secured the first place. I. Indumadi, she secured the first place for the last academic year. R. Varshini, she secured the first place. M. Divakar, he secured the first place for the last academic year. S. Lakshana, she secured the first place and she got 100% attendance for the last academic year. D. Purvika, she got the second place for the last academic year. G. Ruduvarshan, he got the first place for the last academic year. Lakshana, she got the first place. V. Madhimadani, she secured the first place for the last academic year. Parents, please put your hands together to encourage our kids. S. Abarna, she secured the first place for the last academic year. Divashni, she secured the first place. Anandeshwaran, he secured the first place. S. Jayadar, he got the first place. Abhisha, she secured the first place for the last academic year. Darun, he secured the second place for the last academic year. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Cultural starts here. Karagam is a folk dance of involving a balancing of metals or clay pots or other objects on the dancing heads. Here I would like to call our 6th to 8th standard girls on the stage.